In a previous video, I showed you how to create this brush. If you haven't seen it, just check on the link here. And today we're going to do something different with this brush. So for you to understand me a little bit, if you haven't checked the other video, is like this brush we did before. It's a combination of these two brushes, like a slanted shape and a star shape. But as you can see, the one on the top is the slanted shape. So the one behind is the star. And what we're doing here is making a difference between the two of them. So this one can be erased from the top shape. So now what I did was the opposite, to invert them. How to invert them? Well, if you already made this, just duplicate this one, go inside and hold here one of them. I think it's the lower, yes, the lower one. You just touch it and say uncombine. Yes, I want to uncombine this. And now you select first the star to the right, slide to the right, and then slide to the right, this one, and check combine. Now we have the star on top. And now with the star on top, what we're going to do is go to color dynamics, and we're going to change the color of the jitter here to our secondary color. I like to use both in color pressure and color tilt, and click done. Now this is a different brush. Let me show you. I will turn off this, and just by choosing any of the colors I have here, orange and pink, and I will show you what happens when orange is my first color and what happens when pink is my first color. You see, the second color is on the stars. So here is another way that you can change your combined brushes into different type of brushes. I hope you try more shapes and let me know in the comments if this was useful about combining brushes. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!